The trimmer head spring applies tension between the housing and the spool. It keeps the spool from feeding out more line until it is bumped against the ground. A weak, broken, or missing spring will cause line to feed uncontrollably or randomly. Damage to the spool or the spool housing can cause similar problems, so it's important to carefully inspect all parts of the trimmer head when diagnosing a problem. Replacing the spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spool retainer from the trimmer head. The spool retainer is a reverse thread. With the retainer removed, now I can remove the spool. Next, I'll remove the housing. Now I can replace the spring. I'll pull the old spring away from the housing and install the new. Next, I'll remove the trimmer line from the spool. Now I can reinstall the housing onto the spindle. I'll install the spool into the housing, and I'll secure it with the retainer. And last, I'll reinstall the string. I'll rotate the spool until the arrow aligns with the eyelet. I'll thread the string through one eyelet, and it'll come out the eyelet on the other side. I'll pull the line through until I have the same amount of line out either side of the trimmer head. And then I just rotate the spool to load the line. And that's how you can replace the spring in your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up